Hello everybody, it's time to find the winner of I Won, So Can You. And I want to thank each and every one of you for joining in for this giveaway, and I wish you all the best of luck. I have the URL in, I have filter for duplicates, and I have our word, which was milk, for the milk products that's in this giveaway. And there were 52 unique comments. So that's wonderful. Thank you all for your participation. And we're going to get over here and we're going to get this party started. And again, I wish you all the best of luck. And I thank you so much for supporting my channel. And here we go. Let's find a winner. Who's the winner? 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 Gayatri. Hey, Gayatri, you won. How about that? Gayatri is a subscriber of mine. She has been with me for quite a while, comments on almost every one of my videos. So Gayatri, let's see what you have to say here. What a great, lovely giveaway. So very generous. Love it all. I love milk and dark chocolate. I do too, but my favorite is dark chocolate. She is a publicly subscribed member. Gayatri, you are the winner, so you have 48 hours to contact me, and I will get your package out right away. And again, everybody, let's congratulate Gayatri. Just for verification, we'll pop over there. We're going to go to her channels. And I don't know why, but I always, whoops, there I am, almost passed me up. There's Miss Jackie Russell. So there we go. We've got proof that she is publicly subscribed. Don't worry, there'll be plenty of other giveaways coming up. I've got giveaways coming. I'm going to have a 500 subscriber giveaway coming up. Thank you all for that, by the way. That's just wonderful. And of course, I'm going to have some collabs coming. I'm going to be having several collabs coming in the next month. I would say month to 6 weeks. Look out for those. And as for today, that's all I have. And congratulations to our winner, Gayatri. And as usual, you all have a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.